How to get verified on TikTok. In this video, I'll show you how to submit a verification request directly from the TikTok app. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Account and choose Verification. On this page, you'll see information about the benefits of verification, including increased trust and credibility, as well as helping establish audience trust. To continue, tap Contact TikTok Support. Then select TikTok Support, tap Eligible for Verification, and follow the on-screen instructions to submit your verification request. Make sure your profile is complete and up-to-date before applying. Use a clear profile photo, add a bio, and regularly post original content. Keeping your account active and secure can help strengthen your application. Once your request has been submitted, TikTok will review your account and notify you of the result. Verification decisions are made based on TikTok's review process and eligibility requirements. And that's how to request verification on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.